Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're embarking on an exciting journey through the enchanting world of the South African Apple Express Railway. This railway, shrouded in mystery and beauty, is home to some of the most incredible stories and hidden facts you've probably never heard of. So, grab your tickets and let's dive into the lesser-known secrets of the Apple Express. Our adventure begins as we board the historic Apple Express train, known for its rich heritage and stunning scenery. But did you know that the Apple Express Railway is not just about beautiful landscapes? There's so much more to discover. Our first hidden gem, the Apple Express Railway, is one of the oldest narrow-gauge railways in the world, dating back to the late 1800s. Originally built to transport fresh produce, it has a fascinating history that connects us to South Africa's agricultural past. As we chug along, we're treated to the breathtaking views of the garden route. Lush forests, pristine coastlines, and charming little towns pass by. It's a rail journey that feels like a scenic fairy tale. Every year, the Apple Express Railway hosts the Apple Harvest Festival, a celebration of the region's apple-growing heritage. Tourists and locals alike gather to pick apples, savor delicious apple pies, and of course, ride this iconic train. The Apple Express is powered by legendary steam locomotives, some of which are over a century old. These magnificent machines are meticulously maintained, keeping the spirit of the past alive with every puff of steam. Throughout its journey, the Apple Express stops at several historical stations. Each station tells a unique story of the region's history, from the days of steam to the present. During World War II, the Apple Express Railway played a crucial role by transporting troops and supplies. It served as a lifeline, and its heroic contribution is a testament to its significance in South African history. After a period of decline, the Apple Express Railway was revived by a dedicated group of enthusiasts. Their passion and hard work have ensured that this historic line continues to operate, preserving its legacy for future generations. Did you know that the Apple Express Railway once held the record for the fastest narrow-gauge steam locomotive in the world? It achieved an astonishing speed of kilometers per hour back in, a testament to its engineering excellence. The Apple Express is not just known for its history but also for its unique train names. Each locomotive and passenger car has a name, often reflecting its historical significance or local heritage. While riding the Apple Express, keep your eyes peeled for unexpected wildlife encounters. This railway cuts through some incredible natural habitats, and you might spot exotic birds, antelope, and even the occasional monkey along the way. For a truly magical experience, the Apple Express occasionally offers starry night rides. Imagine gazing at the heavens while the rhythmic clatter of wheels on tracks serenades you. It's an otherworldly experience that's not to be missed. The Apple Express Railway has also been a star in its own right, appearing in various movies and TV shows. Its picturesque routes have served as the backdrop for countless on-screen adventures, making it a hidden gem of the entertainment industry. The unmistakable sound of a steam train whistle is part of the Apple Express's charm. The unique tunes of these whistles are not only functional but also a form of communication between the train and station staff, adding to the nostalgia of the journey. The Apple Express Railway has deep roots in the local community. It actively engages with nearby towns, offering educational programs and supporting local businesses. It's not just a railway, it's a symbol of unity and cooperation. Hidden beneath the scenic landscapes are several intriguing railway tunnels. Some of these tunnels are rumored to have their own unique stories and mysteries, waiting to be discovered by intrepid adventurers. Legend has it that during a particularly stormy night many years ago, a passenger carriage mysteriously disappeared from the Apple Express Railway's yards. To this day, no one knows where it went or how it vanished into thin air. The story of the missing carriage continues to be a subject of intrigue and speculation. Some believe that the spirits of bygone travelers still linger, adding an extra layer of mystique to the railway's history. Surprisingly, the Apple Express Railway has embraced street art and graffiti as a form of expression. Talented artists have adorned some train cars with vibrant and thought-provoking artwork, turning the railway into a moving canvas. Beyond the train tracks, you can also explore Apple Express Railway museums that showcase its history in vivid detail. These museums house an incredible collection of vintage locomotives, memorabilia, and stories from the railway's past. The Apple Express hosts special event trains throughout the year. From wine-tasting journeys to festive holiday rides, there's always something unique happening on these rails. It's a delightful way to celebrate different seasons and occasions. Several time capsules have been buried along the Apple Express railway line over the years. The Apple Express has also played a role in community art projects. Local artists and schoolchildren have been involved in creating beautiful murals and sculptures along the railway, making it a true reflection of the community's creative spirit. The Apple Express Railway has faced numerous challenges throughout its history, from natural disasters to financial woes. However, it has always bounced back, thanks to the dedication and passion of the people who love it dearly. Among the unique locomotives that once powered the Apple Express are the puffing pigs. These quirky, compact engines earned their nickname due to their distinctive puffing sound and small size. This once bustling hub mysteriously fell into disuse, and the station buildings now stand as haunting reminders of a bygone era, shrouded in mystery. Step inside the Apple Express's vintage passenger cars, and you'll discover some with unique features. From luxurious interiors to observation decks that offer panoramic views, each carriage has its own story to tell. During its heyday, the Apple Express Railway played a crucial role in transporting mail and parcels between towns. The mail train was a lifeline for communities, and the railway had its own unique system of handling postal deliveries. Along certain sections of the Apple Express Railway, you'll find enchanting railside gardens lovingly tended by volunteers. These gardens bloom with vibrant flowers, creating a colorful contrast against the steel tracks. The Apple Express has inspired countless authors and poets over the years. It's a recurring theme in South African literature, with many works celebrating its charm and the sense of adventure it offers. The Apple Express goes beyond regular rides with special occasion trains. You can book it for weddings, anniversaries, and other celebrations, making your special day even more memorable with a touch of railway romance. Railway workers on the Apple Express have a secret language through the whistles of the locomotives. Each whistle combination conveys specific messages, ensuring smooth operations and safety along the tracks. As we journey through the countryside, you might spot a series of seemingly abandoned cottages near the tracks. These cottages once housed the railway workers who maintained the Apple Express, and their history remains largely forgotten. Deep within the Apple Express Railway's archives, there's a room filled with dusty ledgers, maps, and photographs. Some say it holds valuable secrets of the railway's past, waiting for an intrepid explorer to unravel its mysteries. No one knows its origin or purpose, and it stands as a silent enigma along the tracks, leaving railway enthusiasts puzzled. Train whistling isn't just about safety, it's an art form on the Apple Express. Skilled train operators can create intricate melodies, and there's even an unofficial competition among them to see who can produce the most melodious tune. They are sealed and opened decades later, providing a glimpse into the past. Passengers on the Apple Express can partake in a tradition of railside picnics. The train makes stops at scenic spots where passengers can disembark and enjoy a picnic in the midst of breathtaking natural beauty. The Apple Express hosts an annual train graffiti festival where artists from around the world come to transform its cars into vibrant works of art. It's a celebration of creativity and a fusion of street art and railway history. Many of the Apple Express's railway tracks were at risk of being dismantled and lost forever. However, dedicated volunteers and organizations have rescued and restored these rails, ensuring the continuation of this historic journey. While most people associate train whistles with safety signals, on the Apple Express, they have a unique tradition. Engineers often create whistle lullabies by playing gentle, soothing tunes during night journeys, adding a touch of musical magic to the experience. The resurrection of the Apple Express Railway was no small feat. The revival efforts involved sourcing and restoring vintage locomotives and carriages, sometimes from as far away as Europe, showcasing the railway's global significance. Hidden away in the undergrowth alongside the tracks are the remnants of once bustling railside structures. From signal posts to abandoned workstations, these relics tell silent tales of the railway's industrial past. The Apple Express has a long-standing tradition of railway poetry. Passengers, inspired by the scenic beauty and the rhythmic motion of the train, often compose verses and share them during the journey, creating a poetic atmosphere. It's a legend that continues to intrigue passengers and locals alike. The Apple Express hosts an annual railway-themed art exhibition, where artists from diverse backgrounds showcase their interpretations of the railway's charm. It's a vibrant celebration of creativity inspired by the tracks. Rumors persist about an Apple Express time capsule map that supposedly marks the locations of hidden time capsules buried along the railway. Beneath the Apple Express Railway lies a network of underground tunnels, some of which remain uncharted. These tunnels were used for various purposes throughout history, including secret storage during wartime. As we conclude our in-depth exploration of the South African Apple Express Railway, we've uncovered a wealth of hidden and captivating facts that make this railway truly extraordinary. It's a journey through history, mystery, and endless fascination. Thank you for joining us on this incredible expedition into the heart of the Apple Express Railway. If you've enjoyed these lesser-known discoveries and have more stories or mysteries to share, please do so in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you won't miss our future adventures. Until next time, keep exploring, keep discovering, and keep riding the rails.